guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this video is really interesting, but before that, I'm DSILVA. I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. If you're new here, then please do consider subscribing and do not forget to press the bell icon so you'll be notified all the time whenever I put new video. So I'm going to show you this product in this video. This is Upakarma brand's Kesar. I don't need to tell you what Kesar is. It's saffron, and all Indian knows what Kesar is, what saffron is. It is used in many food dishes, for medicines, for skincare and health wise. I'll show you and I'll tell you what benefit this product has in this video. And if you're interested what this product does and what is it all about, then please keep on watching. So this product comes in 3 sizes and I'll show you how the packaging is. This is 0.5 gram product. It comes in a nice cardboard box and in a plastic tub, and you get the product inside, and it has a nice lid also, so it secures your Kesar from dropping. The another size is 1 gram, and this is really nice. I really like the packaging. It comes in cardboard box which opens like this, and it has given a little bit details about this Upakarma brand, and nice tub it has inside. It is a glass tub and it is completely wrapped in a plastic. So it is nice glass jar with golden lid on it, and you twist it and you get your product inside. I am in love with their packaging. It looks like Kesar itself is a very lavish and rich product, and they have given very nicely packed. I like the packaging and the saffron color and golden detailing on the box. Again, the 2 gram pack also same packaging. It comes in a glass tub and it has a golden lid on it. Let me open this up. So this is the 2 gram jar. It is again a glass bottle or tub, and it has a golden nice lid. I really love the packaging. So I have seen many brands selling Kesar and different brands, but why I chose this brand and why I love this brand, because it is completely pure, it's completely organic, there is not at all mixing. And finding pure Kesar is very difficult. First of all, Kesar itself is very expensive. Only little bit product you get for it is expensive. It's not just this brand. Everywhere Kesar is expensive. In that, if you get mixing not pure, then you won't really appreciate that. So I really appreciate about this brand is it's completely pure. And this Upakarma brand is fastest growing brand in India. It's completely Ayurvedic. You will get so many products. Do not forget to check my description. I'll send their website link in the description box. And if you want to buy this product also, I'll give the Amazon and Upakarma website in the description box. Please do check it. You might get discount also on Amazon. So like I said, this brand I love because it is organic, as well as it is toxin free, it's pure and chemical free. It's completely safe to use. I am saying completely safe to use because we consume Kesar. I'll tell you what benefit you have by this product or ingredient, or what you can do and how you can utilize this product in a various and multiple ways. It is cruelty free, as well as it is completely vegan. It has no animal origin product in this. By including Kesar in your daily routine or your life, it balances your life. It has literally, you use this product in your regular life and you will see a drastic change, or else you will see a complete change in your life. Your life comes on a balance. It balances your life basically. This brand is ISO certified, and these products are manufactured in GMP manufacturing units. So I had told you all the details about this brand and this product, so you don't have to worry about this product. It's completely safe and pure, completely organic, cruelty free, paraben free, SLS free, no chemicals in this. So now let's just talk about the benefits you can get from this product. Kesar is well known as, in Indian sweet dishes. You can put little bit amount of Kesar in any Indian sweet dish, and that sweet dish will become very lavish or a very luxurious sweet dish, and it will give you a very rich effect on your sweet dish. As well as you can garnish also on any Indian sweet dish or any Indian rich recipes. Any recipe will become very rich by using just a little bit amount of Kesar. Like I said, you can balance your life if you add this in your regular routine. Nobody likes, like most of people doesn't like to have milk in their daily routine because it doesn't like that strong smell of or strong aroma of milk. Even I don't like it personally, but when I add a little bit flavor in milk, I can have it. Milk is very good for your body and your health, so it has a lot of protein. So if you add little bit sugar and little bit kesar in your normal 1 cup milk, and if you consume it every day, your immune system will grow, your blood will purify, and you will have a very healthy and strong health. A lot of people doesn't know this. They just know kesar is consumable and kesar is used in recipes and foods, but no, you can make many face packs, many skincare products as well by kesar. You must have seen in markets they have kesar face pack, kesar face wash. You can make it at home also. I'm gonna quickly tell you one remedy which I personally use. I take gram flour, rice flour, and if you have chandan or multani matti in your house, just add a little bit. Use warm milk and little bit of kesar. Make a face pack out of it. Apply it, keep it for 20 minutes or until it dries, and then wipe it out with hot water or hot towel, and you will see a very nice glow on your face. It removes your pimples, it removes your acne marks, it removes your blemishes, it reduces your dark circles. If you use it regularly, your dark circles will be banished completely. You have no worries. You have a healthy skin and beautiful and glowy skin. Who doesn't want that? So I definitely recommend this product by this brand because this is completely pure and safe to use. If you want to buy, there is a link in the description box. Do check it out. So that's it for this video. I hope I have given justice to this product and you have liked this video, and if you have liked it, then please give me a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to make good content for you. And let me know in the comment box what you think about this product, and if you use this, then what is the best thing you like, what is the thing you like about this product and what change it has gotten in your life. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye.